Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is February 27th. Finished up, oh boy, look at this. Finished up my work and finished up the chainsaw. Finished up sawing branches. Boy, that's a good place to be. Somebody must have crashed. Dumbasses. I can't believe people crash. It's not even cold or icy and they crash. Two people on the road, they're gonna crash. But anyway, I finished sawing up all the branches in the backyard, and I pulled two of them that were hanging out up high. I finally got those out. I got one more above the deck, and I said I was too pooped, but I got to cut up. We just got to haul it, bundle it up, and leave it out and tie it up in a little twine and leave it out for the garbage, and they pick them up. Oh boy, that's exhausting. It's a lot harder to do when you're in your 60s than when you're in your 30s. I could do anything when I was in my 20s and 30s. So I'm out for a little ride. Got that little my wife got me a little DJI Mini 2 that I flew once in the backyard yesterday, so I'm going to take it out and fly it. I have the big DJI Phantom 4 Pro Plus with the little screen on the controller, but it's really big. It takes up the whole front end of this, and it takes up the whole back end of my Goldwing. So this one, just a little bitty thing, fits in the saddlebag or fits in the back, and still plenty of room. And so I kind of like that to take it with me, like if we go back to Hawaii this year or go to Cancun. It's so small I can just take it with me and not a big deal. I always worried about the Phantom 4 just because it was so big. And it's got a 4K camera, just like my Phantom 4 Pro. 4K camera on this DJI Mini 2, and oh, what else did I say? It doesn't have obstacle avoidance, but it's so small. And I flew it yesterday, it's just really super smooth. Smoother than the Phantom 4, believe it or not. Well, I could never fly that thing in the backyard. But this little bitty one I did. Bye.